Well, hello diamond painters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Anjoli and I will be doing, I don't know what to say, an unbagging because my husband opened it for me when I was gone for 2 weeks. But what I have here is an item from Aliexpress from the Hibah Hibah Store. It's a 30 by 30 special drills. We'll get to how many I have. I spent $3.50 on it. I ordered on 7/18. It shipped out on 7/20. I'm guessing it came here on August 9th just because I was not here. Since August 1st, I got back on the 17th because I was in Connecticut for some family stuff. And I call it the winter flower tree. This is what it looks like because my husband opened the envelope on me. So, yeah, no surprise. But we're going to take a look at it and we're going to measure and we're going to do our thing like we always do. The tripod is right here, so it basically have my arms wrapped around it. And I am on my new drafting table, which I'm going to get one for my mom for her birthday / Christmas. It has the key on both sides, which is awesome. We have 10 shapes. It says it's a 30 by 30. We will measure that. It comes with a couple of baggies, and I usually use these bags for my leftovers, and I reuse the good ones. So I kind of try to keep costs down, even though the good ones I get from Walmart are like $1 for 100 of them. Anyway, you can save $1 here and there and get yourself like a nice coffee or treat yourself to a little yummy lunch or something. It all adds up. So standard kit, no placer. That's a single tip pen. We're gonna look at the drills. I'm gonna grab my measuring device here. Let's see what we have. So we're gonna go to this blue line that they have, and we are gonna measure across. So as you can see, it is more like a 25. I'm trying to flatten it as much as I can while I'm doing it. So yeah, it's a 25. Probably by 25. Yeah, it's a 25 by 25, so it's not a true 30 by 30, so that's just the whole canvas. And so these are the symbols, as you can see. And it seems like a lot of these have the same symbols, I've noticed. So I did like the spring summer tree, and that was my favorite because I love the color green. And I love spring, that is my favorite season. I love winter because I love the the freshly snow all over the ground and how beautiful everything looks. So that would be like my second. I'm going to take a look at the drills. Okay, so they're just labeled by number and the canvas identification number. So we have just a beautiful blue. That's standard 310. And I don't think I've worked with any of these yet. This like really small teardrop ones. Ooh. Oh, there we go. See them better? Bigger ones. It's a pretty purplish pink. Is that like magenta? Nice pretty blue. Another pretty blue. So yeah, I'm just saying everything came in on the 9th because it seems like a lot of the tracking doesn't show that it even got to my house yet. So I'm just picking the 9th because a lot of the diamond paintings did come in on the 9th, my husband claimed. So yeah, that was it from the Hibah Hibah store from Aliexpress. I paid like $3.50. There might have been like 50 cents free. I'm not positive. But I will update that. And of course I will use these for my post reviews. Yeah. Nice little simple special drills. Usually I order all my special diamond ones from New Frog. So this is like when I have a couple that I just ordered. Well, I have more unboxing to do from Aliexpress. I normally don't buy my special drill through Aliexpress. I usually get them from CES deals. So yeah, I don't think it was a bad price. I think it's a little less. It might have been a little less than CES deals, but so that's it. Quick little video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Keep on diamond painting. Bye.